Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nessie K and I'm here again with a new video. And before I go too far with this video guys, let me take this opportunity to thank you, my subscribers and my viewers, my returning viewers. Guys, I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate. I don't take anything for granted, guys. And if you're new here and you've not yet joined the family, kindly consider subscribing, hit the red button and the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. So this channel is all about bringing you updates on the infrastructural development in our country, Kenya. And today I'm in Kibera. And I decided to do a video for you to see the progress of this project. That is the Langata-Kibera-Ngong Road link road. Guys, I've never been to this place before, but I decided to come and maybe give you an update of what is happening or the progress of this project. So I'll take you along this place for you to see for you to see how far the project is or what is happening with this in this area. And remember to like the video, share with your friends, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this place and let me know which other project do you want me to cover. So I'll take you around this place. So stick around guys, watch the video to the end and remember to give this video a like. so much guys for watching. Remember to like the video, share and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. Next time guys, bye bye.